is gonna be fun. Painting is done. For now. I don't think they look too bad. Hey, they're not professional, but it'll do the job. I still got to attach this here that broke off. Plastic weld that, so I still have to paint that. But pretty much everything has all been painted. I'll have to go through the car and take the stuff that's actually in there out and paint it to match this, but that will be a future endeavor. Right now I'm just trying to get an interior in there, and that's really all I care about at the moment. Speakers, they were kind of faded. That you can see my seats over there, that faded color on the speakers, so I painted those black. But not too bad. Everybody came out pretty good. Now it is time to get some of this interior in. So I decided, because there's not enough room in there to keep moving cameras around, I just do stuff off camera and give you updates as I go. So far, this is a pain in the ass. It was a lot easier taking it apart, but since it's been a while, I kind of forgot where some things go and the order of things that they go in. That seat is having a hard time because I think I put these in, the seatbelts buckles in backwards. I think some of the bolts were wrong too, from the 92s to the 90s. I got this interior out of a 92. Some things like the support that's underneath there was bolts, but on this one it's screws. So I'm gonna keep at it. I gotta switch these around. I'm gonna put the seat in, and I'm just gonna keep updating you guys as I go periodically, because like I said, there's barely any space in there to work around. So I'll be back. Painted this. I just ordered this cover, actually, right here. I got my rearview mirror ready to go. I got the seat belt for the other side that I still got to put in. I got these in. Let's see. Rear seats are seating. All my pieces in. I still need to find a headliner. That's kind of becoming a pain in the ass. Everybody's in, go what they're supposed to. Let's see, go to the back here. I cut out for the strut tower bar. This was actually a kit that I got from Amazon. This one right here. Perfect fit. I still got to get the pistons for here and the mounts for them, because this is not gonna do it for me. Oh, I also put in this new rubber seal. This was flopping all over the place. Got that from Amazon, like 33 feet worth, so definitely have a lot extra, but that's okay. It's better to have extra than not enough. Oh yeah. And this side, same thing. Got that down there. I gotta still put that on. Trying to find one of these, but it's not really a necessity right now. But pretty much, yeah, I got this there too. Just gotta put in this seatbelt over here. And I think we're gonna be pretty golden with this interior. Next is going to be turbo time. I still have all my stuff over here. This was, as you can see, hopefully that's focused in. As you can see, the bearings created a nice little groove in there. I can actually feel this. I don't even need a fingernail in order to feel that groove in there. So I got one of these on the way. I actually ordered one of these wrong. I ordered for a TD06H, which mine is not. Apparently mine is a TD05H. So that has a smaller compressor wheel. Turbine wheel, sorry. This is the issue I'm having with this. I had some bolts break off. That looks clear, but it's not. There's actually still remnants of bolt missing in there. And this one was a pain in the ass to get out. I'm gonna have to helicoil both of these because I've been trying like crazy, heating it up, trying to extract it. We got this nice nifty bolt extractor kit, which works pretty well. It grabs, it's just not pulling that out. I don't know. Got new bolts for that, helicoil those, and we should be good to go. And I think that's about it. So on that note, I'll see you on the next video.